Hi.
Hi.
What is this?
Vishu Sadhya.
So we have come here to have Vishu Sadhya. And they are.
Banana leaf.
Yeah.
We have a choice. We have a choice. Oh, more of these. So that's half.
Both the types of paisam.
So what are these?
Chas, my favorite paisam. The paisam I've never tried before.
That is Gul Paisam.
Yeah.
Kunja. How much you want? Tell him. That's it? So platter is still not ready.
I started. Wait.
That's okay.
I don't know, there are about 40 items.
I need to also on the button.
You 40 items.
Happy Vishu.
Around 25.
Happy Vishu to all your viewers as well. Say Happy Vishu. And let's have
Guys, we eat with our hand.
yes, Vishu Sadhya is all about eating with hand,
Eating the traditional way.
traditional way. That's okay. So Pio has started. How is it?
The sambar is amazing.
You have to.
Guys, I just finished my what is it?
Vishu Sadhya.
Vishu Sadhya. I just finished my Vishu Sadhya and I'm so full. I could walk around the whole globe and I would still not have digested my food. Guys, I saved some paisam for you. Happy Vishu, everyone! Happy Vishu, bye Pihu.